In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off Narrator on your Windows PC. Simple and easy. So to do that, we need to open our settings. Good. And now we move to settings by tapping on settings like this. And now let's launch our settings. Good. So on here, we move to accessibility. Good. So we glance through on this accessibility. Let's open that. And you should see Narrator here. Now tap on that. Good. So if your Narrator is on, you see this to be on. Good. If it's off,
starting narrator, exiting narrator,
then you turn it off like this. And also a couple settings you can make here with the Narrator. Yeah, that's under the Narrator. But then to turn it on and off, there's it. You toggle it on, you toggle it off. You can even do more settings here. That's Narrator before setting and after signing and all that. So that's it on how you turn off Narrator on your Windows PC. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.